Hello, my name is Kent. I'm with Training Camp, and I am a certified recreation therapist and a certified personal trainer. And I help people reverse illness and injury through movement. For more ideas, go to wellness. Go to actionablewellness.com and subscribe to the channel and get updates. So we're going to warm up. So we're going to sidestep it, and we're going to get everything moving. Get your arms moving, sidestep it. It's a beautiful day out here, nice and cool. Out here in our garden, growing great plants. Great to know where your plants, your food's coming from. So we try to grow everything organic. Trying to get everything warmed up in our joints and our muscles so we don't pull any muscles or joint problems. Getting fresh blood and oxygen to those joints. This helps with coping with depression and anxiety. Helps burn calories from your dinner. Feeling good. It's amazing how your body can produce its own pain medication, so when you move, it helps your body create pain medication for your joints and all that kind of stuff. So, we're going to do some squats today. And remember always to have a chair close by, so if you start feeling weak or having problems with strength or feeling kind of fuzzy or anything, you can have a seat and regroup and recalculate so you don't injure yourself. So we got a chair right here, so you can hold on and do some light squats. Squats aren't light, but you can limit your range of motion. You can just go this far, or if you want to go further, you can go even further. Focus your weight through your ankles and try not to let your knees go past your toes. So I'm going to show you how to do a chair squat. So we're going to start here. Try not to let your knees go past your toes, but this is a good angle right here. And keep your toes pointed out along with your knees. And when you stand up, focus your weight to your ankles. Come down. Make sure you engage your butt and your quads. This is also helping your hamstrings. And again, I just put my knees on my hands, or my hands on my knees to kind of give me support. You're going to stand up like this. Keep your head up. Keep your back straight. This is great exercise to help you get out of chairs, out of couches, off the couches. Helps you walk. Does lots of great stuff for you. Good. Now we're going to do shoulder press. Shoulder press is very important to keep your shoulders moving so they don't freeze up on you. Keeps that range of motion. Helps build that strength. Helps with your posture. Because if you don't use it, you lose it. So it's important to keep those muscles and those joints moving so you don't lose that range of motion. Y'all doing great. Because my shoulders are burning, so if you're keeping up, you're doing a great job. Now we're going to do some crunches. So right here is the easiest position to come from. Here. This is helping with stability as you're walking. Keeps you upright, protecting your back. Your back is very, very important. And this is one way of protecting your back. Good. Now we're going to do leg extensions. This is isolating the knee. If you got knee problems, this is a great way of strengthening up the knees. Now we're going to do the other leg, because you don't want one leg stronger than the other. You should feel a burning sensation. This is really easy on your knees, but really gives you good benefit in your quads. Your quads is the front part of your thigh. It's very important to keep those muscles in good working order. Good. Now we're going to do a shin slide. Shin slide is working the inner part of your thigh and your hips. Again, it's very important to keep your hips moving, because once your hips go out, it's hard to get around. So we're going to do a shin slide. That's working the inside of your thigh and your hip. Great for people who've had hip surgeries. A lot of times, if you can do this before you go into surgery, it helps with recovering a whole lot faster. So it's important to do some exercises, get healthy before you go in for surgery. Now we're going to do the other side. You should feel a burning sensation. Feeling the burn, that's a good thing, because it's getting those muscles nice and strong. Getting fresh nutrients to those joints and those tendons. It helps with the recovery. Good. All right, now we're going to do some toe tappers. It's important to keep those ankles nice and mobile, because once they freeze up, it's hard to get around. So it's important to keep those ankles nice and limbered up, nice and strong. This also helps strengthen up the knees. So if you've got knee problems, great for knees. Also, right now we're going to do the passive plate, and this is great for the shoulder. It takes a lot of stress off the joint, to strengthen up the shoulder muscles. So think about passing the plate at the dinner table, passing that plate. This is great for keeping that shoulder from freezing up. Because again, once those shoulders freeze up, it creates a world of problems. So you should start feeling a little bit of a burn, which is a good thing. All right, now we're going to go into curls. Curls are very important, very important. Because if you can't lift that fork up, you're not going to eat, you're going to starve. So it's important to get those curls moving. Go get those biceps. Also beat those kids, your grandkids arm wrestling. Good. You guys are doing great. All right. Now we're going to do a march in place. It's important to keep those hips moving again. Very important for staying mobile. Being able to get up and down those stairs, especially getting up the stairs. If you can't pick your foot up, that's a lot of problem right there. This helps a lot. All right, good. Now we're going to do some stretches. Put your hands out here like this. Push out. This is stretching out those wrists. You're going straight above your arms, straight above your head. Releasing all that stress and anxiety. Helps with posture. Give you that warm, fuzzy feeling. Nothing like it. We're going to cross our arm over. Pat yourself on the back for a job well done. Amazing. Other side. Good job, well done. All right, now we're going to go to the back. We need to stretch out the chest. So if you can reach behind your back, try to lift your hands up as high as you can go. This is going to stretch that chest so we're not hunched over. And just kind of stick your chest out as far as you can go. Feeling good, feeling warm and fuzzy. All right, another good stretch is reaching for your toes. As you're standing out at the checkout line at your local grocery store, your back starts feeling tight. This helps a lot. Keeps that tension out of the lower back and your hamstrings. Excellent, good job. Another one that will help is when you cross your leg over. Lean over that knee. That's stretching that lower back and your glutes. That's your butt muscle. That's pulling on your lower back as you're standing in the checkout line. You're walking through the grocery store. Good. And you want to do the other side. Keep it balanced. I hope you learned something great today, and hopefully this is something you can do at home or keep doing at home, and taking care of yourself. It's important to take care of yourself. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.